Go.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we are back with you today. And we have Tammy here with us at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. And this is Tammy's first visit of the new year, right?
Yep.
So we haven't seen her since we left for St. Thomas, and we came back from St. Thomas. So she's back in here now getting an adjustment for the first time this year. So let's take a look at you here and see what you're looking like. Let's flex your head forward and backwards for me again, please. There you go. Neutral. She's got a little translation of her head to the right and a little forward translation. You can see she's getting a little bit of this hump up here, which is kyphosis. Some people call this dowager's hump. It's not really bad on her, but it is beginning to develop, so we want to cut that off at the pass. I'm sure you don't want to be looking like that as young as you are. Okay, so let's have you go ahead and lie on your back here. By the way, you can start developing dowager's hump at a very young age just from having forward head posture. So that's something you'll hear us talk a lot about here is people's posture. Posture is a mirror, slide you up just a little bit here, Tammy, of a person's spinal biomechanics.
What am I going to do here? I tried calling them and see if they got and no one answered.
They didn't answer.
So when you see the head forward like that, just think of a big bowling ball on top of a thinner structure of the spine, 24 freely movable vertebrae, and gravity is pulling us down towards the earth all the time. So that bowling ball gets really heavy on that thin spine. Okay, take a nice deep breath in. Oh yeah, good. Feel that all the way down? Good. All right. Now, Tammy's had some breathing issues here in the past. She's still kicking. Drop it right in my hand. Nope, I'm going to tilt your right a little bit. Okay, wiggy left big toe. There it is. Good. That's better. Okay. Still gasping a little bit, huh? But before we left, your breathing was slowed down quite a bit. So let's come over this way and see if we can't slow that down for you again. Go on your tummy there. Okay. Now, one of the reasons that she's had some breathing problems is, first and foremost, the autonomic nervous system, which is the part of the nervous system that works automatically. A lot of people call it automatic nervous system. It's really called autonomic. It's got a sympathetic and parasympathetic division, which balances each other out. And most of that parasympathetic control of her breathing is coming out of her atlas and the medulla oblongata, which is the brain stem from C1, C2. So I will be adjusting that. But I'm adjusting her sympathetic nervous system right here in the mid-thoracic spine. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to put your head down just a little bit. If you can scoot up in there, Tammy. There we go. And that's really, we got to catch her really kind of in between bucks because she holds her breath a lot and is gasping for air. So you can see the difficulty she's having breathing. There we go, better. That's it. So we got our lower thoracics there. The sympathetics go from T1 all the way down to L1, L2. Now legs are even, and that should have felt a little smoother than the first one. So we're going to use the knee rub on her to improve her circulation in these tissues and relax her and calm down these paraspinal muscles. Missed us, didn't you? Yeah, we missed you too. Our phones have been out for the last 2 days, and our internet internet and all that, so if you guys have tried to get a hold of us, we're not out of business. We just have not had phones on this floor or internet service, so we're just now getting to your emails, and you can call now 281-405-2611 or go to advancedchiropractic.com and schedule an appointment either way through there. This is our first video of the new year because we have been kind of in the twilight zone with all these technical issues going on. No phones and no internet. We actually didn't even have power on Monday either, so we could only see patients for about the first couple hours in the morning, and then we had to leave on Monday. But if you've been trying to call and haven't been able to get through, that's the reason. So we are still here, and we're still scheduling appointments. So give us a call or get online and get a hold of us online. And we do have new services in the office now. We have a full-time myofascial release expert, massage therapist. Joseph is coming in with us, and Joseph, you've been doing that for how long now?
4 years.
4 years, and he's very good. Deep tissue. He's already had the first couple patients this morning. And insurance does pay for that if you have the right kind of insurance. United Healthcare, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Texas pays for it, 15-minute increments. And if not, we charge just $1 an hour or $1 a minute, which is very reasonable for the Houston area if you check around. There we go. Well, I remember we were in the Virgin Islands for an hour-long massage. They wanted $250. I said, no, I think I'll just wait till we get back to Houston. Boy, you feel how tight those are, Tammy? These guys up here, that's what's restricting a lot of your ribs. There we go. Keep, that's it. Okay, let's turn you on your back. Yeah, I'll give you a pretty heavy-duty workout today. I'm actually going to adjust your ribs today, though, so let's slide your legs down onto the edge there. There we go. And let's just lay you right on back here now. Here you go. There you go. Okay, now, slide down. Let me help you down this way a little bit. I'm going to pull you down just a little bit more. There you go. There you go. Okay, now, if you can put your arms out like this with your arms up. Yep, just like that. Okay. I'm going to adjust her AC joints right here. The acromioclavicular joints, and then her clavicle where it meets the sternum right here as well. And then the anterior ribs, right where the sternum and the rib cage meets here anteriorly, because I've already adjusted the posterior ones. Yep, and the anterior ribs all the way down. Now she's had some issues with some acid reflux and hiatal hernia as well, and that's also affecting her breathing. So exhale for me, and keep trying to exhale. There you go. And I think that's also contributing to her breathing difficulties. Because before we left, you were breathing a lot shallow, or a lot better than you were now. It's gotten shallow again. There we go. Exhale. Keep exhaling here. Alright, so I'm doing the same thing that I do with every acid reflux, hiatal hernia person. I'm grabbing the stomach and pulling it back down through the diaphragm so that it opens up that hiatus there and sucks the stomach back down where it's supposed to be. Secretes acid in the stomach, not up in the esophagus, which is what acid reflux is. Okay, let's sit you up and face towards Renee and Joseph there. Renee has been so busy with trying to deal with all this technical stuff and office issues. We just have not had an opportunity to shoot any videos, so thank Joseph for helping us out with that today. There we go, good. Okay, let's get your, yep.
right, Daniel. We'll see you at 3:30 today. You're welcome. Okay. Bye-bye.
Good. Okay, let's have you come over here and shoot you next. So here's where I'm adjusting her atlas from the lateral side so you hit forward and backwards again. Yeah, that's already better alignment, I can tell. Yep. Okay, back to normal here. Hold those way up. And then we're going to bring that head all the way straight back and up. And I'll hit your atlas from the side right there. And then right there. We're going to get your traps here and reset those. Okay, now let's have you flex your head forward and backwards again. This should feel smoother to you this time, Tammy. Try and see. Does that feel any smoother to you? Yep. Okay, stop at neutral. Okay, see how her head and ears up over her shoulders now, and her shoulders are squared off a little bit more. Do you feel like you can breathe a little bit easier right now? You're not gasping like you were before. That's good. Okay, thank you for sharing that with us first of the year here, Tammy. So this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson and Tammy from Advanced Chiropractic Relief. And we got Joseph here and Dr. Jutton in here now for y'all too, so come see us. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.